In today's video, I will walk you through how to add team members to Stripe account. First, go to Stripe and click the Sign In option located in the top right corner of the page. Enter the login credentials associated with your Stripe account and complete the sign-in process. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Stripe dashboard. From there, click on Home to access your account overview. Next, navigate to the Settings section. You can usually find settings near the bottom left area of the dashboard. Click on it to open the account management options. Inside Settings, locate Account Settings and select it. This section contains the controls for managing different aspects of your Stripe account, including team access and permissions. After opening Account Settings, find and click Team and Security. This is where you can manage existing members and invite new people to your Stripe account. Once you're in the Team and Security section, look for the Add Member button and click it. This will open the invitation form for adding a new team member. In the email field, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Take a moment to review the address before continuing to make sure it has been entered correctly. After entering the email address, move on to the role selection area. Here, choose the role you want to assign to the new team member. Review the available roles and select the one that matches the level of access you want that person to have. Once you've made your selection, confirm that the role shown is the one you intend to assign. Next, review the invitation details, including the email address and assigned role. Make sure everything is correct before sending the invitation. When you're ready, click Send Invite. Stripe will then send an invitation to the email address you entered. After the invitation is sent, the team member will receive an email inviting them to join your Stripe account, with the permissions associated with the role you selected. You can return to the Team and Security section at any time to review team members and check invitation status. If you need to invite additional people, repeat the same process. Click Add Member, enter the person's email address, select the appropriate role, review the details, and send the invitation. That's all there is to it. You have successfully added a team member to your Stripe account and assigned the permissions you want them to have. Thank you for watching.